The MyWorkDrive map drive client for Windows and macOS provides a unique ability to edit local Office documents online with Office 365. That starts with the installer. When you install MyWorkDrive, whether you're installing with the graphical user interface or as a command line administrator, you want to check the option that says optionally open Office files in Microsoft Online. Although not typical, because most people use the Office products installed on their computer, you would check that box. From there, go ahead and click Install and let the installation complete. To begin editing documents in Office Online, go ahead and on a workstation that has the option selected to open in Office Online, launch the client and log into your server. You'll get your shares mounted as they always were, and here you'll see the files you can work with. Notice that the files look just like regular files with typical file icons, whether they're PDFs, images, Word, Excel, etc. Let's go ahead and edit the overnight cookies option. Now remember, we don't have local Office installed, so this is going to open our file in Office Online because that's the option that was checked during install. Double-click the file. Go ahead and click Edit to start editing. Now we're able to make changes to this file, and we don't have Word installed on our desktop. Notice at the top of the screen as I make changes, everything is saved back directly to the MyWorkDrive server. No need to worry about saving to your desktop, copying, or moving files. When you're done working on the file, simply close the browser window. Want to work on another file? Let's go ahead and click on an Excel file. The same thing will happen. The Excel browser window opens. There's our file. We want to edit this file, so go ahead and click Edit. Any changes we need to make, we can go ahead and get started with. And again, save back to the MyWorkDrive server. Close your window. All set. Now you see we've just edited both of those files right now, and they're ready to go. And that's all there is to working with Office Online files when you don't have Office applications installed on your workstation.